Library research can take several forms. Probably the most convenient is the main search on a library website. Here at KCC, our main search is called the Discovery Service, and this video will walk you through how to search there. First, you want to get to the library website. You can go to Campus and Community and select Morris Library. The Discovery Service is this main search box featured right at the top. To begin, you'll want to have a search term in mind and type that into the main box right here. Today, I'll be searching for Treasure Island. You'll be then taken to a sign-on screen that looks like this. Here you want to enter your KID and password in the format of a lowercase k and your number with no other additional information. If you have any issues at this point and you're sure you've typed in your password correctly, please reach out to the library. There are a few known issues that we are aware of, and we should be able to help walk you through them. Hopefully, though, you get through just fine and are taken to a search results page that looks a little bit like this. The first thing to be aware of is that all of these options over here on the left require you to be signed into your EBSCO account, which is separate from the library sign-in you've just done. If you haven't created an EBSCO account, you'll need to do that first, and that will enable you to make use of these database features, including saving and creating folders right within the databases for your convenience. That is not required to search in the databases though, so I am going to go ahead and leave that aside for today. At the top, you have your search box, along with the most commonly used filters that you'll be using in most of your searches. For example, you may consider limiting to full text and peer-reviewed sources only, or sources published maybe within the last 10 years, or whatever is required for your assignment. You can also select a specific source type, so if you're looking for newspapers only, maybe physical books only, you can tell the system that information. If you want to get more detailed in your filters, you can visit the advanced search page. That is beyond the scope of this specific video, but see the annotation in the top right if you're interested in learning more about the advanced search. As we scroll down, you will see your different search results. Often the closest matches will be seen at the very top. In the case of a well-known book like this one, you'll often have a link directly to that title. Or on another broader search, you'll also see something called a research starter, which is an encyclopedia entry on that topic. So if I knew nothing about Treasure Island and wanted to guide my search a little better, this might be where I begin. As I'm scrolling down, I can see the different types of sources listed above the title. And remember, if I wanted to save these within the database using this button, I'd need to be signed into EBSCO first. For digital materials you'd like to access through the databases, you can either click an Access Now button, or if you see an Access Options dropdown, click it, and you'll usually see a few different options here. Physical books will give you a location in the library, along with a call number you can use to find that book, and if you're having any trouble, please ask at the information desk. We are happy to help you. If you click on the title or one of those access options, you'll be taken to the record or to the contents of the item. In either case, you have a few options to save this source along with the EBSCO folders feature. The most useful for you will either be the download option, which depending on the length of the material will allow you to download in whole or in part the text that you're looking for. You can also share the materials, specifically to a Google Drive or OneDrive account. This can also be helpful if you're doing any group work and creating shared folders that everyone can see what everyone has found. Also very useful here is the citation tool under this quotation mark button, and from this list you can select APA, MLA, or Chicago, depending on what you're using in your class. Keep in mind that these automatically generated citations can have some errors in them, but visiting the research guides should provide you with any information you need to make the necessary corrections. As stated, those are the basics of the Discovery Service. If you'd like to learn more about the advanced search, or maybe another database that might be more relevant for your subject matter, please check out our YouTube channel and the Morris Library Research Guides for more tailored recommendations specifically for your subject area. Thank you for watching, and happy researching!